So I'm making a mantle, and I'm using this leftover tongue and groove boards. And what I'll have is, this will be the face, and it'll be a cut in over here, a bevel, and a bevel on this side. And the height is about 37 inches. These are the sides. And I'll be ripping the tongues off of these. So that's how deep it'll be to here. So I'll leave that on too, that bevel. I'll leave that bevel on so the tongue will get ripped off. This will be the depth. And this will be the width. And then I have a board back here that is about 11 inches wide, that one right there. And I'll sand that and clean it all up. I believe it's just pine. I'll clean that all up, and that'll be the top of the mantle. But these are the boards I'm cutting down, and these are just gorgeous. So I think it'll look real nice. These will be the sides. And this is bird's eye. This is gorgeous. So we'll see how it looks in the end. So I cut that board down for the top. It's about 11 from here to here and about 4 feet. And that'll sit, well, it'll be the top of the mantle. And I'm sanding it right now, starting with 40. I'll go to 80 and then eventually down to 220. And I did chamfer the edge here with a router. I'm about to sand. So this is cut down and chamfered. You can see I chamfered the edge right here and just left the back straight. It's 4 feet long. It is about 11 inches wide, and it will go on those two pieces right there. So it will stick out quite a bit, but I think it's okay. And these will be about 30 inches from here to here. And I don't know, we'll see. I'm using these two pieces. I'll put these on the wall, and then I'll nail the sides here, right here, into these pieces that are put on the wall. And I'll use those anchors because it's wider than 32 inches, which is where the 16-inch on center studs are. So I won't be using studs, maybe one. We'll see. So the mantle is finished. I did not put a riser on the bottom. I thought I might put something down here to raise this up. And it's wide enough that somebody else could put a bigger fireplace in there, electric. I added an outlet over there, and that's where this will plug in. And this will heat this room nicely. It's not a big room. It's also a fan that can push the air down. And when you walk in, you see this beautiful side, which I really like. And the mantle sticks out. Sticks out about 6 inches. But it's a nice surface and you can put stuff on. Now what I used to attach this, because I didn't want to put screws or holes through the top, and I didn't want to do anything through the bottom, I use this construction adhesive. It's clear. It's really amazing stuff. And that's what and then I put stones on it to hold it down. I just took them off today, and it is nice and secure. So that is in good shape.